Have you ever wondered if every minute you spend working truly counts toward your paycheck, especially when it comes to earning that extra overtime? It is a common question, and understanding your rights can make a big difference in ensuring you are fairly compensated. Generally, any time an employer suffers or permits you to work for their benefit is considered hours worked and must be paid, including 4 overtime calculations. This includes all time you spend performing job-related duties, whether it is at your usual workstation or even off-site. The foundation for understanding overtime pay comes primarily from the Fair Labor Standards Act, or FLSA, which is a federal law. This act broadly defines hours worked as all time during which an employee is required to be on duty, on the employer's premises, or at any other prescribed place of work. It also covers any time an employee is suffered or permitted to work for the benefit of the employer. This definition is quite broad to protect workers. It means if your employer knows you are working, or should know you are working, that time counts. This includes essential activities like training sessions, travel that is part of your main job function, and even certain waiting times. Understanding this principle is key because it establishes that an employer cannot simply claim they did not authorize the work if they were aware it was happening. To ensure your hours are properly counted, track your own time carefully. Keep a detailed record of when you start and stop work each day, including any unpaid breaks. If you find yourself working before or after your scheduled shift, or during what should be an unpaid lunch break, make sure to record it. If you believe there is a discrepancy, discuss it with your supervisor or human resources department promptly and politely, providing your documentation as evidence. A key concept in this area is compensable time. This refers to any time an employee is engaged in activities that primarily benefit the employer. There is also the de minimis rule, which generally allows employers to disregard small, insignificant periods of time that are difficult to record, typically a few seconds or minutes. However, repeated short periods that add up can become compensable. Keep in mind that state laws can sometimes offer greater protections than federal law, so it is always wise to know your specific state's rules regarding overtime. Protecting your pay starts with understanding what activities should count towards your total hours worked. By knowing your rights under the Fair Labor Standards Act and proactively tracking your time, you are taking an important step towards ensuring you receive every dollar you have rightfully earned. This information is for general knowledge and is not legal advice. Always consult a qualified legal professional for advice on your specific situation, as labor laws can vary significantly by state and specific circumstances.